Good to have you with us. You're watching The Big Story. I'm Avni Raja. We're making a start here with the latest as far as the situation with cab aggregators are concerned. Now, have you ever faced a situation wherein your cab ride was cancelled right after the driver called you asking about the destination? Well, a lot of commuters have been facing such issues while booking a ride. Commuters say the drivers first ask them destinations and then cancel the ride instantly if it doesn't match with what they want at that point in time. Drivers even tend to avoid calling the passengers and simply send a message asking the customer's destination. We, in fact, reached out to cab aggregators for a reaction. Uber said that they are doubling down on efforts to ensure steady service through driver education. Also, that they have included a feature to report ride cancellations by drivers. Meanwhile, so far, no word yet from Ola.
Have you been a victim of where Ola or Uber has constantly cancelled rides?
Yeah, I have. Near my college, it's kind of a secluded area, but so when the cab drivers realize that that's the location that they're coming to, they tell that they're coming and then they cancel the rides.
Okay. How many times have you experienced this?
It depends. So if I'm lucky, I get it on the first go, or I have to try like about four to five times before I find a cab which is actually ready to come.
Okay. Can you also explain the kind of ordeal that you had to go through? You know, I'm probably late in the night, and then you have to go to a certain location. What if a driver doesn't turn up? What are the kind of the entire process that you will have to do?
Sometimes not even late in the night. It's like a good evening time, like 4-5 o'clock, and not even like a secluded area. It's like they've come all the way to the location and then they've cancelled it, so I have to book another ride, and they give stupid reasons like I can't go there or things like that. So that happened twice or thrice, so that kind of gets frustrating because it's a good area and still they end up cancelling the ride, so it gets frustrating that way.
Have you also been a victim of that?
Yeah, in fact what they do very regularly is that they call us and they'll ask where do you want to go. Yeah. And then they will cancel the ride because they don't want to go there.
So that's the policy. You're not supposed to tell them where you're supposed to go. That's why they don't show them the location.
Also, have you realized that once probably when you tell actually where exactly you want to go and when the driver cancels it, you'll get the cancellation fee? Have you come
Yes, that happens.
Is why it's more frustrating.
So generally that's what I do. When they call, I don't tell them where I'm going because then I know they'll cancel it. Okay. That's why they're calling. So I just tell them you come to the location, you pick me up, and then that's also when they cancel it. They don't like that attitude that we're not telling them where the location is.
Do you have something in your mind that what exactly can be done to tackle something of this?
I don't know.
They need to train their drivers well. Like they need to tell them this is how you're supposed to be following the rules, and then it should not come to us. The customers are not supposed to teach them what they're supposed to do and what not.
Yeah.
Let me, in fact, go across to Disha, who's joining us for more details at this point in time. Disha, we've been hearing a lot of people reacting to what's happening and why, the way cab aggregators and cab drivers have been cancelling the rides. What are you picking up in terms of reactions, of course, from the commuters, which we've heard from the drivers as well?
Well, certainly, Avni, and this is something which is, going to be very much difficult, specifically with the upcoming festival. And if at this particular rate, the drivers do keep on cancelling the ride, then it is going to be annoying. And we heard the commuters who take the Ola Uber ride every single day. Here, what do they do is when you book a ride, after waiting for 5-7 minutes, you get a call from a driver asking where you want to go, what is the mode of payment, and then right after that, the driver cancels the ride. Then you're updated to another, of course, rider, which again, they ask you and all of that. So that process is very long, which in a way, in the case of emergency or in the case of rush, if you are going somewhere, it leads to very annoying. And by the way, they are not supposed to ask you for your destination. They are not even supposed to ask you where do you want to go, what is the mode of payment, because once if you are on the panel and if you are getting a booking, then you have to take the customer from one location to another. In fact, I'm joined here by one such driver who drives both Ola as well as Uber. Let's know from him from the driver's point of view, because here we heard the commuters, of course, talking to us about their complaints and everything. We also heard from the Uber who gave us an official statement about how they are, doubling down on the efforts nationwide. Let's speak to the driver. Sir, काफ़ी सारे सर जो है कंप्लेंट्स आ रहे हैं, सोशल मीडिया पे भी आ रहे हैं, ऑफलाइन भी आ रहे हैं कम्यूटर्स से स्पेसिफिकली, कि किस तरह से ओला हो या ऊबर हो, ड्राइवर्स कभी कभी जब हम जैसे अगर बुक करते हैं तो ड्राइवर्स इमीडिएटली कॉल करते हैं कि आपको कहाँ जाना है मैडम, और 5-7 मिनट के बाद ड्राइवर्स कैंसिल कर देते हैं राइड, और उसका कैंसिलेशन फ़ी भी हमें चार्ज होता है एज कस्टमर को, कई बार होता है, और फिर हमें दूसरे राइडर को अपडेट किया जाता है। बट ये बार बार ऐसे कैंसिलेशन सर क्यों करते हैं ड्राइवर्स? क्योंकि ये आफ्टर सम पॉइंट इन टाइम बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, 20-25 मिनट ऐसे ही हम बुक करते रहते हैं और फाइनली फिर हम लोग को काली पीली या रिक्शा जो भी मीडियम अवेलेबल है वो लेना पड़ता है। तो क्या क्यों, मतलब आप भी ओला उबर चलाते हो?
जी, कभी कभार चला लेता हूँ मैम। बात ऐसी है एक्चुअली कि जो मेन रेट है वो रेट जो है वो एक ऑर्डिनरी कैब ड्राइवर को परवड़ने वाला है ही नहीं, पहली बात। क्योंकि जो रेट उन्होंने डिज़ाइन किया है, जो स्ट्रक्चर, बिजनेस स्ट्रक्चर उनका है, तो उससे उनको ड्राइवर को कितना बेनिफिट हो रहा है उससे उनको कुछ लेना देना नहीं है। ऑलमोस्ट 40% उनका सब टैक्सेस GST से लेके सब कुछ कटिंग होके, अगर 100 रुपये बिजनेस में अगर 40 रुपीज़ अगर वही ले गए तो एक ऑर्डिनरी कैब ड्राइवर को क्या पैसा मिलेगा उसमें से? पहली बात वो है। अगर एक पैसेंजर ने कैब बुक किया है और एक स्पेसिफिक एक ड्राइवर को मिल गया वो ट्रिप, सो वो कॉल करके पूछता है कि मैम या सर आपको कहाँ जाना है। कई बार एक डेस्टिनेशन पे जाने के लिए 1 घंटा लगता है, वहाँ पे 2 घंटे भी लग जाते हैं। उसका जो फ्यूल कंजम्पशन है वो उसी राइड में जितना जाने वाला था उससे डबल जाता है, बट ओला उतना ही पे करता है।
मतलब आप सर ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि ड्राइवर्स इसके लिए फ़ोन करते हैं क्योंकि अगर उनको लगता है कि लंबा रास्ता है, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे उनको जो है कंपेंसेशन कम दिया जाता है और उतना ही मिलता है जितना उन लोग ट्रिप करते हैं।
एक्चुअली शॉर्ट ट्रिप और लॉन्ग ट्रिप का इसमें सवाल ही नहीं है।
हाँ।
अगर आप टूवर्ड ओल्ड बॉम्बे जा रहे हैं CST या फिर और कहीं अंधेरी साइड में, टाइम कौन सा है, और उसके अलावा अगर आप न्यू बॉम्बे की तरफ जाते हो वो रूट क्लियर है। डेस्टिनेशन अगर मैं एक सेंट्रल में खड़ा हूँ तो मेरे को डेस्टिनेशन दोनों सेम डिस्टेंस है, लेकिन मुझे जितना टाइम ऑफ इसके लिए लग रहा है, ट्रिप के लिए लग रहा है, इससे डबल ट्रिप जितना न्यू बॉम्बे में लग रहा है उतना डबल पैसा टाइम मेरा सेंट्रल में, अपना वेस्टर्न में या इसमें जा रहा है, ईस्टर्न में जा रहा है।
पर सर ओला और उबर की तरफ से पॉलिसीज काफ़ी क्लियर है कि ड्राइवर्स को पूछना नहीं चाहिए कस्टमर को कि आप कौन से डेस्टिनेशन पे जा रहे हो, मोड ऑफ पेमेंट भी नहीं पूछना चाहिए कि आप कैश या वाया ऑनलाइन, क्योंकि उस वजह से भी काफ़ी कैंसिलेशन हो।
ये कब स्टार्ट हुआ? ये अभी कुछ साल 2 सालों में चालू हुआ ये वाला जो फंडा, क्योंकि इसके पहले जो बेनिफिट मिल रहा था इंसेंटिव से लेके और जो ट्रिप फेयर था उससे लेके ड्राइवर खुश था। वो पर डे अगर मेहनती है 3,500 से 4,000 रुपये पर डे कमाता था। आज उसका वो 1 लाख का बिजनेस ऑलमोस्ट 15 से 20 हज़ार रुपये ला के छोड़ा है ओला ने। ओला या उबेर, कोई भी एग्रीगेटर कंपनी हो, हम तो उनके प्रॉपर कंपनीज नहीं बोलते थे क्योंकि उन्होंने इसमें जजमेंट में भी
इंसेंटिव्स और कॉम्पेंसेशन कम हो गया है, इसके लिए ये 1-2
सोचना पड़ता है। वो ट्रिप जब मिलती है तो उस टाइम पे सोचना पड़ता है कि ये ट्रिप किस तरफ की है, ये ट्रिप लेके जाने के बाद वहाँ से मुझे रिटर्न में कुछ ट्रिप मिलेगी या नहीं, या फिर इस जो टाइमिंग है इस टाइमिंग में मेरा रेट मुझे प्रॉपर मिलेगा कि नहीं। क्योंकि मेन फंडा वही है कि ड्राइवर्स को प्रॉपर पैसा नहीं मिलता है उसकी मेहनत का। इसके लिए इसके लिए ड्राइवर्स हर बार पूछते कि यार फिर कोई खुले रोड का अगर पैसेंजर है, मतलब जहाँ ज़्यादा कम टाइम में, मतलब मुझे तो मैं कम टाइम में ज़्यादा ट्रिप्स मेरी हो जाए। जो टाइम मुझे 1 घंटे में मैं 50 किलोमीटर जा सकता हूँ, उसी 1 घंटा जाने के लिए मुझे 10 किलोमीटर के लिए मुझे 1 घंटा लग रहा।
बता रहे हो कि इंसेंटिव्स और कॉम्पेंसेशन कम हो गया है, तो पहले क्योंकि कोविड से पहले बराबर मिलता था और अब भी कम हो गया, तो कितना % कम हो गया है? पहले
ऑलमोस्ट 80% कम हुआ, खाली 20% बंदा कमा रहा है। खाली
क्यों सर, इतना क्यों डिफरेंस?
लास्ट टाइम जब स्ट्राइक हुआ था ओला का तब तक ठीक था। जब एक दिवाली के टाइम पे स्ट्राइक हुआ था, उसके बाद ने जो ओला ने अपनी जो सच्ची तस्वीर सामने लाई है, सो उसके बाद का आप देख सकते हो। क्योंकि जब ओला जो एग्रीगेटर कंपनी स्टार्ट में आई थी तो इन्होंने पहले बताया था कि आप बुक करो कैब्स हमारे इधर और हम आपको 1 लाख रुपया महीना देंगे, और दे भी रहे थे, लाख लाख 1.5 लाख रुपए
ड्राइवर को।
इंसेंटिव प्लस ओनर प्लस गाड़ी का बिजनेस,
और अभी कितना मिलता है सर?
ऑलमोस्ट 20 से 25 हज़ार रुपये पूरा महीना।
Almost
पूरा
8.
महीने, एक महीने अगर बिजनेस करे तो मेन बात यह है कि बिजनेस कम मिलने की वजह से, कंपोजिशन जो आपके हिसाब से है वो कम मिलने की वजह से ड्राइवर्स अभी बहुत सारा ड्यूटीज है ना डिनाइन कर देते हैं, कट कर देते हैं, फिर कोई अच्छी दूसरी ट्रिप मिलती है क्या वो सोचते हैं।
थैंक यू सर, आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम राज।
So Avni, this is what we heard from the driver's point of view of Ola and Uber. They say that before COVID they used to get proper incentives, they used to get proper compensation, but now they are getting 80% of less compensation and incentives, and that is the reason drivers avoid long distance routes or distance which would not benefit them. So more trips that they make per day is something that they look for, and that is the reason the person we spoke to who drives both Ola and Uber told us that that is the reason why drivers are cancelling most of the time, because they are receiving 80% of less incentives and compensation as against what they used to get a year and a half ago.
Yes, absolutely, Disha. Thank you so much for getting us all of those details and that voice as well, important perspective. Let me also go across to Shrija, who's with us as well. Shrija, obviously this is seems to be a situation where commuters on one hand are being left in the lurch, but on the other hand, the drivers have their own reasons as to why they are forced to do this, because of the lack of benefits and the fact that they end up not making any money on longer trips.
Well, we did speak to a couple of auto drivers and as well as the taxi aggregators, whether they're working with Ola or Uber for that matter. But, the opinions and also what they're saying in their experiences clearly varied. Now, let me go across to one particular Uber driver. He already has a ride. He's just stopped for us. Now, to answer this particular question, ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಊಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ಅರೌಂಡ್ 5 years ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
5 years. Have you realized that a lot of customers, they complain saying that the drivers are cancelling the rides? Have you any time cancelled the rides?
90% I'm never cancelled, because while understand for the customer requirement, because everybody is not simply is traveling. There are lots of things is there. They have urgency, emergency for casualty or anything else, or railway station or airport. Because on requirement only they're booking for the cab.
But can you tell me that what could be the exact reason that the drivers, especially Ola and Uber, they are cancelling? What could be the reason? Why do they cancel?
Sometimes they don't have cash payment. I mean, they don't have cash
The
mode of payment. That particularly they will cancel, because they're asking the cash payment if not cancelled, because they are to put the diesels.
Okay.
So second thing, some people they don't want to go because they are put for location. For location, their home location will be there. Okay. That will not be there. That particular also they will cancel.
Okay.
Some the person they definitely they will understand the requirement. They're traveling.
Okay. Have you any time thought, in case when you cancel the ride, do you lose out on the money?
For my side,
Yes.
sometime.
Do you lose business
Yeah.
when you cancel?
Yeah, definitely. Because we are rating is there. The whole non-cancel, they'll put the rating and they're giving long trip also.
Okay, well, we are joined in by an auto driver. Let me understand from him, in case, especially taxi aggregators, like where the driver himself admitted to the fact, yes, due to the mode of payment and also especially to do with the far location, they cancel the rides. But has those rides increased, especially to auto drivers? Iga Ola ಮತ್ತೆ Uber ತುಂಬಾ ಸತಿ ಅವರು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ರೈಡ್ಸ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಏನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇವಾಗ 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೂರ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಗಾಡಿ ಪಿಕಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮ್ಯಾಕ ನಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಭಾಳ ಮಂದಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಏನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ?
ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಐತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಈಗ 60 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
ಈಗ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಂದ್ರೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನರು ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆಟೋಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಲಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಊಬರ್ಗಿಂತ
ಆಟೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಆಟೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಟೋ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ
ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
We have an auto driver who's telling us that even though people, especially customers, they tend to cancel their rides, or even for that matter, on the other hand, vice versa, where the drivers are cancelling the rides, the business has really clearly not gone up or hasn't decreased in the last few months. What he's telling us is that customers, now he is an auto driver, he says customers first prefer auto than going to an Uber or an Ola. Let me go across to especially a private driver here. ಈಗ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಜನ ತುಂಬ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ರೈಡ್ಸ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸು ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಓಲಾ ಊಬರ್ಗಿಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಕೈ ಅಡ್ಡಾಕಿ ಬರೋದೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ನಾವು ಆಟೋದವರಿಗೆ ಓಲಾ ಊಬರ್ ಬೀಳೋಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಓಲಾ ಊಬರ್ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಗಳಾಗ್ತಿರ್ತವೆ. ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೈ ಅಡ್ಡಾಕಿ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವೇ ನಮಗೆ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ನಡೆಯೋದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಅದೇ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮಗೆ.
So we have a very different experience coming in from a private taxi driver, where he says that more than Ola or Uber, or even for that matter with an auto, he says that having a private cab itself, a self-owned cab, now that earns him more money than a taxi aggregator, because he says that there are several customers who just wave their hands at the taxi aggregators, or even for that matter private taxis, and they hop onto the taxi and they pay the money which is especially told by these drivers. So this, he tells that he makes more business as compared to even auto drivers, or even for that matter taxi aggregators like Ola or Uber. Back to you.
All right, Shrija, thank you so much for getting us all of those voices. Important here to understand the various sides of this entire story and why it is, of course, something that's leaving consumers and commuters in the lurch. But let's quickly tell you what exactly Uber has said in response to all of this. Uber says that it's doubling down on efforts to ensure steady service. Driver education, app improvements are also being undertaken. Also saying that they listen and act as far as rider feedback is concerned. Reporting ride cancellations is something that's also been made easier, and mechanism for claiming refunds has also been simplified.